front of me is Honor 200 Smart, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use one-handed mode. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to hit Accessibility features. Then select one-handed mode and use gray switcher to activate it. Now, if you are having tricky navigation, slide your finger across the button of the screen. If you are using gestures though, do exactly the same, just after swiping, hold for a second. So when I do that, one-handed mode is working properly. To go back, click on black area. If you want to change placement of your tiny screen, just swipe in an opposite direction. Go back the same way. To disable one-handed mode completely, use the same no blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!